Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Greg and this is Puddle Walkers Outdoors.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah I need it. Won't you pandemonium, life is so easy.
Alright guys, this is what we're using today. This is the Nikko Tadpole. It's a small little bitty guy. It's got great stretch. It's really strong. I'm just going to run him on a 1/8 jig head right here. This is an Arky jig sickle hook. And I just measure him up because I want him to snug up to that head. I see the hook's going to come just about out the back side of this guy. Well, this is a Nikko product, so you got to expect it to be a little tough to get on the hook, but that's only because these things are so strong. All right, once you get him up on there, to finish it off, guys, what I do is I give him a little pinch and then kind of snug it up over the head like that and then just snap it back. And then boom, right there. He's all nice and tight where I want him at. All right, guys, we're just going to throw this out and we're just going to swim it back and see if we can't get some crappie to hit it. Damn it. Oh, wait, that's a fish. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, crap, dude. This is a big fish. Oh, all I got's 4-pound line, dude.
Oh, no. Okay. What do you think it is? I don't know.
I don't know, but he's going to spool me.
Yeah, yeah.
I thought I was snagged, dude. This thing's going down current. Oh, my God.
Careful, man. Don't fall in now. Once again,
Yeah, it's going to be a while. This fish is huge.
huh?
This fish is huge.
Are you moving him? Or no?
A little bit. But he is running.
I don't know what this is. It could be a giant bass, bowfin.
I'm going to run out of line, dude. I got to go downstream.
Easy. Careful.
I'm going to be careful. We got a giant on here, guys.
Come on,
We got an absolute giant. I come down here to catch crappie. This is not a crappie.
No, it ain't.
Oh, crap. I can't get any footing to get over there. Just trying to keep line on my pole. Oh my gosh. This has got to be a massive carp or something, or a big flathead.
Yeah.
He is just rip and drag. He is taking me so far downstream now. I'm trying my best to pull him back without breaking off. I'm using this Nikko Tadpole and this thing is putting the fight on. Oh, I gotta get back where I was at. I have no footing right here in this mud. I'm just trying to keep this fish pinned. Oh. Okay, sorry guys, I got the bag in my way. I got hung up in there in that mud. I think I can handle this fish from here. I think I'm finally starting to wear him out. This is the biggest fish I've tussled with in I don't know how long.
Dude, it's a giant catfish.
Giant catfish? All right, let's bring this guy back on in here. Oh, it's a big channel. Really big channel. Telling you, man, you set your drag right, you'd be surprised what you could catch. I guarantee this fish is over 4 pounds.
Oh yeah. Is it flat? Easy, it's not a flat. I know that's a giant channel.
Yeah, it's a giant channel.
1 time I don't bring cat home.
They're here. Yeah, it's like an 8 pounder.
8 pounds?
Yeah, that's my guess, about 8 pounds. Oh man, guys, this guy is beat up. I bet he's every bit of 10 pounds. The biggest catfish I have ever caught with 4-pound line. Yeah, dude, straight up thought I was snagged. Hey, all right, crappie on the leech.
Yep. Where that rock is at, that's where I catch me.
I'm using this now.
All right, guys, that's Gavin's first crappie of the day on the Nikko Tadpole. We're excited, guys, to use this lure today. All right, let's get back in there.
Yeah, you settle with it, dude.
All right, guys, on top of the mud hill now. It is so slick out here today. I imagine I'm probably gonna eat it once or twice. Hope not, taking my time, but I am in my rubbers. And I don't move very well in these muddy boots. As you can see, it's nasty out here.
Yeah, I would go swimming for that, dude.
There we go. Whoop. Hold on, buddy, I'll let you back in there. Oh, little guy on the tadpole. Go from catching the king to catching the food.
That should be the title of the video. It moved. My snag moved.
Hell no, I'm gonna do one of those I caught the spillway monster videos like everyone else does. Yeah. I can't believe this fish was living inside this spillway. I can. Oh, Gavin's got a good one. Nah, it's just his little pole, man. It bends so much. Cause that's a little guy, but that's another one on the tadpole. Garrett got one. Good job, Garrett. I just let it sit just for a second right at the bank. And he just inhaled that leech. He was just right here on this bush, right in front of me. Right here, guys. I just stopped reeling for a second and let that leech dangle right there. Or the leech, I keep calling it a leech, I'm so used to using it. Hey guys, I just sat it right there. I just let that tadpole dangle, and this little guy here just come right up and hit it. I mean, there was no effort in that at all. It was just putting the tadpole in the right spot. I'm gonna call this thing a leech all day long. Did you miss one, bro? Man, did you go straight down right here? Dang, it looks slippery. Ooh. Nice and sandy. Okay, cool.
Yeah, cool guy. Come on, big boy. You can do it.
I'm gonna fall. That's exactly what's gonna happen. Catfish?
You got him?
Yeah.
What you got?
Real nice one. Is that a bluegill?
Yeah.
That's a crappie.
He's better.
Yeah, he's a lot better. Got about 9-incher that time. One of the better crappie today.
With the tadpole. There we go.
This tadpole, guys, is really putting in the work. Tight to the bank over there.
I don't know why I haven't called it the leech yet, because I'm thinking what it's called before I say it. That's why I'm so slow. I'm like, tadpole, okay.
Tadpole. It's a tadpole. Hey, Garrett, you're a tadpole. Boop.
No, I'm not.
Damn it. I lost another one, Gavin. I ain't know how I even got snagged. I cast through there 5 or 6 times and then boom, snagged. You ain't going nowhere.
Don't grab the line, don't grab the line.
There you go.
Come on,
A bowfin on the Nikko.
Bring them.
Set your pole down, Gavin, and grab your fish from him.
Hey, lift them. Yeah.
Yeah. Just grab him underneath opposite of Garrett.
Yeah. There we go, guys. That's my first bowfin of the year. Let's go. On the tadpole. I keep calling it a leech. Let's go. You got some pliers?
Oh, use your hand. Hide at least.
Yeah, definitely need something to grab onto it with.
Let's go.
Nice
There we
bowfin.
go, guys. That's my first bowfin of the year. That is not a bad. It's not the biggest one I've caught.
He is
but that's
ugly.
a good one. Let's go, man. That is nice. I mean, I'm using a leech, so it don't really matter at this point.
Tadpole.
Tadpole. Now you got me saying it.
Yeah. I'm so used to saying it, dude. That's all I've said for the last week of fishing trips was leech this and leech that. Man, that thing catches fish. There we go. Yeah. Crappie on the tadpole. I'm really digging this tadpole, man.
Caught everything in the creek today.
It really has. We've had a fun time in the creek. We've a lot of multi-species today. No giant crappies or nothing, but man, a nice catfish, a decent bowfin. I mean, I've seen what bowfins are in here, so we really can't call Gavin's a monster. But on that little micro rod and reel he's got, that's a big fish.
When he did, I thought it was a big crappie because he didn't feel big until he got here, and he was like, "Oh, and it took off."
We're going back up.
Just me and you have not changed
Yeah, until it's bass season, I'm not going any further than this.
until football jigging and
Yeah.
big bait. I'm gonna try to go on every huge kind of football bait. I got plenty.
All right, guys. I think we've caught what we're going to catch over on these trees. Gavin's bowfin on the tadpole was awesome. The crappie on the tadpole is pretty awesome too. Our crappie season still hasn't quite picked up, but our creeks are picking up, as you can tell by the fish we were able to catch today. All right, we're going to head back to the spillway. We're going to fish it a little bit. If we catch anything else, guys, we'll be right back.
Oh baby, I love